Harshavardhan Reddy. Today I'm going to start talking about my new coming restaurant, which is going to inaugurate today by Mr. Jagapati Babu Garu and Mr. K.S. Ramarao Garu. And our restaurant name is Thugs of Grill. Why I choose Thugs? What is meant by Thugs? Thugs means there's in olden days movies you used to see there's some people who used to come on the horse and they used to rob from the trains. They used to call it as dakus, and the other meaning in English we say as thugs, thugs. So it means why I choose a Thugs of Grill. How it combined and linked together means the people who are hungry, they used to rob for fulfill or to fill their tummy. So that's why I combine those two words and put it as Thugs of Grill. So stealing the food in me. It doesn't mean he had to come here and just come and steal the meal. He had to pay for that. And this restaurant is launched by Mr. Jagapati Babu Garu today, which is on 29th, Wednesday morning, 11:15 a.m. This is coming up in Kukatpalli. Why I choose the location? Because of the people who are working in IT industry, like more 80% to 90% people who work in high-tech city, Madhapur, nearby. They started living here in Kukatpalli. They started making their shelter. Everyone is very friendly mannered, and even I have seen so many foreigners also. They started making shelter here. So one day I came here. Actually, I had done my hospitality management in MBA from Australia. I was there for 8 years, 9 years. I used to mingle with the Australian culture. So when I came here, so all of a sudden I have seen so many foreigners. They started living here in Kukatpalli. I was like, whoa, this is a very nice place to start up with my business. So I just came here and started looking for the good location. So I found this. It's a very good place in heart of the Kukatpalli and heart of the Hyderabad. Nowadays, the Kukatpalli is a very booming area. And about our food quality and about our theme of food is a live barbecue on the table, where we provide the stove on the table, and we provide some oils and sauces where you can accompaniment yourself to put on some oil. Some people like the oils, and some people like more spicy food or something. So we just provide them on the side of the table. Nowadays, everyone is so passionate about their physical appearance. If you go outside, everyone start commenting, "Oh, you're looking fat. You're looking this." So, and they started going to see some liposections and this all. Instead of that, I made a little bit a good concept where you feel like you don't want to eat any oil. So we don't apply any oil to our food. So you just come here, it's a very live barbecue on charcoal grill. So it's a kind of grill meal. It's a very good quality of products we use, like seafood or any chicken or any mutton, whatever we use in our items. They are meant to be prepared. They are preparing very hygienically. It's a very good. And we have chosen the combination of red and black ambience inside. Why? Because the black and red and orange, which are similar to make you to feel hungry. It's a scientific word. I mean, some people used to say scientifically orange and red combination. If you see the orange and red in your restaurant, if you start feeling like you want to eat more, it's really good. I felt like maybe I went to other restaurants, they use the orange color combination. Even maybe I started feeling the same way. I want to eat more. So I choose the same red and black combination. It's really good, and even the ambience is fantastic. Whoever just steps out from the lift, we start receiving as a friendly. We just say, "Hi, how are you doing? What is happening today? If it's a weekend, what are you going to do with the weekend? Are you going to do with family members? Anything?" Just like friendly. It is not like, "Oh, you came to some restaurant, we just receive, hi, just going to take it to the table." It's not like that. Very friendly atmosphere. So hopefully everyone is going to love this place, and going to love our food also. Thanks, Hybits TV people.